I'd like to talk with you just a little bit today about JD Consulting and your relationship with MRI. So maybe we start with just a little bit about you and what you and JD Consulting do for our MRI clients.
Yeah, absolutely. So JD Consulting is a relatively small consulting or services partner with MRI. I personally have been working with the system since 1996, believe it or not. I've transitioned from DOS to Windows to web and on upwards. We're a small group, about 6 people or so, and we work very closely with the clients, help them with the system implementation, pretty much anything that they want. We're based in California.
Tell me a little bit about that relationship that you have with our clients and what kind of aspects of JD Consulting affects what the MRI clients are looking for.
So MRI clients, the clients that we engage with typically are just looking for someone to sort of almost be that system administrator type of a role that a lot of times they don't have. Someone who knows more about the system, the software, how to engage with MRI as an organization, how to get answers to their questions. We do a ton of customization, report writing, developing some of the custom applications for them, rolling out new products, new apps, modules within the system, if you will. We're really, what our strong point is and where our clients enjoy working with us is we're that immediate person that they have a relationship with. They literally pick up the phone or shoot an email and they can ask a question, get our attention, whatever the case may be, typically within 24 hours.
Lovely. So basically just an extension of their company,
Yeah, very much
working
so.
with the MRI system,
Very much
making
so.
sure that everything is kind of working in a functional
We have a
way.
number of clients actually local to where we are that ask us to come in and be on site once a week, once a month, something along those
got a
lines.
desk.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. We do. We absolutely do.
What is it that you think sets MRI apart and how it impacts the clients that we both share?
Oh, so, I think the biggest thing, to me there's 2 things. There's the technical side of the system where from a database structure and a database management perspective, it is in my mind superior to anything else. Our ability to be able to manage the data, push and pull data in and out of the system, link or interface with any other product or any other system out there. Again, from a technology perspective, I think that is far superior to any other system that's out there. And it's what clients love. And the fact that they can come to us and say, we need it to do this, can you help us? And the answer is always yes. From an organizational perspective, MRI is a great group of people. They are down to earth, they're willing to help, they will do anything they can to make the clients happy. They've always just been, again, a personal relationship, I think, with the clients that not a lot of organizations offer.
Well, Janice, thank you so much for speaking with me today. Enjoy the rest of your day
Thank you.
along with the other partners here. And please check out JD Consulting.